Good morning to one and all. I am beautiful Bhavya from class 4 of Bhavya International School. Today I am telling you how to make a keychain with the help of raw material. So I am telling you what material we will have to use. Fevicol, scissor, ribbon, 2 sketches red and black, pencil, long strip, short strip, and some circles. So let's start our activity. We will paste these circle like this, and these two we will paste back of these circle. Like this. Like this. Now we will take long strip and paste upper this. We will paste. Now the front of the circle we will paste one color circle. Now take a ribbon and paste the back of this. Now take yellow paper and paste like this. So we will put this here, and now we will make this. Now we will fold this like this. We will like this circle, we have to make 3 circles. We will take this. We will paste over here the circle Now take a pencil and draw the eyes and mouth. So our keychain is ready. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now I'm telling you how to use this keychain. Like this we can hang out this. Thank you. Have a nice day.